We are at the topic that is the power. Power, what is the rate of energy is power. So basically, what is energy? Energy equals to the energy. Basically, the as we see, the electrons move from one higher potential to lower potential. So there is a electric pressure that help in the flow of electron. But due to create that flow of electron, we need energy to make that electric pressure. So energy, and even that is the reason for the bill that we pay, electricity bill that we pay, we actually pay for the energy that helps to move the electron from one place to another. So basically, energy in terms of when we define E equals to, that is uh, equals to VQ by T, equals to VQ, or we can say equals to VQ, or we can say VIT. So this formula is voltage multiplied by the charge. So basically, energy is voltage. The charge move from the movement of the charge from the potential difference is the actual energy that is required to move an electron. So from this we derive the formula that is E equals to VQ. And if we convert this Q equals to, as we have studied the first formula, that is I equals to Q by T. So here we can see that Q equals to IT. So here we get E equals to VIT. That is the formula of the energy. Now we go for power. Power is the rate of energy. So VQ by T, that is VI, and T gets removed. And another energy is the heat energy, that is I square RT, and it is also known as the Joule's law of heating. That states that basically heat is directly proportional to the current square, directly proportional to the resistance, and directly proportional to time. Basically, current heat is produced is the current square, that is the current supply through it, the resistance, that is that resists the electron flow from it, the property or the cause that uh, stop the flow of the electron, and the time for which the resistance or is produced. So that obviously there is a resistance there, and if the electron try to go away, that produce heat from it. So it is also directly proportional to the resistant, and as for long, it is allowed to move from the path that, or more heat it will produce, because as more electron pass, the more time suspended, the more collaboration and the more heat is produced. At the same time, the current, as we required, as there is a flow of electron, that there will be heat. So I H equals to I square RT. That is also known as Joule's law of heating. And also uh, we have another square of the power, that is P equals to VI. So if we convert V equals to IR, so here we get I square R, or V square by R is 1 volt. Volt is the SI unit of power. 1 volt equals to volt multiply ampere, and 1 kilowatt per hour. Basically, it's kilowatt stands for 3, and per hour 3.6 multiplied by 10 to the power, we can say 3. So 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 is the conversion. If we get from conversion 3.6 into 10 to the power 6, it is volt.